Hey you guys, so this is gonna be my curly hair tutorial. This was from the straight hair is from my Eunice hair straightening tutorial that I posted last Saturday, and I am now editing this video this Saturday. I'm feeling like doing Saturday uploads, so that's what it's feeling like. So one thing that I got completely wrong, you need to put that Tresemme mousse on each piece. Don't try and put it on the book like how I'm doing right now. Don't try and put it on the whole piece, like the whole half of your head. Put it on the individual pieces that you're gonna curl. Glasses on. like this part, I need to put mousse on this part and the next parts that are gonna be curled. I was trying to make sure I was curling it right. So this is like literally how it's just gonna go for the whole tutorial, but we just need to make sure that, like how I'm not doing right here, put mousse on it instead of just straight curling it. Because if you want the curls that are on the other side of my head, not this side but the next side, I don't know, left, right, technically that'll be my left side if y'all are looking that way, but the left side for your view, it's a lot better than this side, unless I wanted it like that. But I mostly wanted it like the left side that y'all will see at the end. I don't know if I talk about it, but yeah, it'll be there. I think I'll talk about it in the video. But you're just gonna do that. Put all them little rollers in there. I only use how many? What is that? 5 per side? Yeah. I didn't want too many different individual curls, so I just did it like that. We're gonna put our scarf on. I don't have a big enough bonnet, so I just use this big black scarf. And then I just go to sleep. Sleepy time. So I woke up. Yes, no brow. This is literally how I look when I wake up. Oh, goodness. If y'all are wondering what those pictures are, that's like my roommate's pictures, so don't pay attention. This is what I'm talking about. Y'all see that side over there? That left side? That's what I wanted. I love this stuff. I showed it in every video. That left side is the side I wanted for this style. And you will see once I like take them apart, because you'll see like how loose this right side is. I mean, they're both cute if one of them were about my whole head, but I really just wanted the right side. I mean the left side. It's hard to say. I really just wanted the left side. But yeah. So I kind of messed up, and when you use more foam like I did on this side, you get bigger, like tighter curls that kind of, when you comb them out, like finger comb them, they turn out huge. So this side is bigger than this side, so I'm a little mad about that, but I'm sure I can, make this side look bigger. All I needed to do is just get my little curler and just get it popping. But we are done right now. I hope y'all could see me throughout the whole thing, because I have to look at this mirror over here, because I didn't feel like doing the whole viewfinder stuff, so I just used my mirror to look at my phone. So there you have it, a little hair tutorial. Now you do not have to wait like all night to do it. You can honestly just let your hair dry, and it'll probably dry in like 4 hours. That's what I usually see on like other people's videos. Or you can just take like a blow dryer with the, like, not direct heat, but like with your diffuser, and just go around your head. But you have to use these. Like, I had some Dollar Tree ones that were all foam, and yeah, that won't work. Use these kind, the ones that have the, I don't know what type of fabric or. And now I am officially probably going to be late for class, but it's all for you guys. So talk to you guys later. I'll probably come back here when I finish my whole face. I'm really feeling this. I'm about to spray it and call it and then really call it a day. So see you guys later. I'm now editing this video, so hope you guys have enjoyed it. And I will be doing a video on this look next.